Well, I first started experiencing pain when I tore my ACL back in my senior year of college. It continued to get worse and worse and worse over the next 25 years. There's all sorts of incremental lifestyle things that just kept getting, I'll say getting taken away from me, but I kind of stopped doing. All three of my kids did a little bit of softball and I helped coach along the way. The knee pain got pretty bad standing all day, trying to run practices and things like that. My doctors that time said I was probably on the course to eventually get new knees. And so I asked them who they'd go to for knee replacement, and they both referred to Dr. Berend. And I was always really nervous about getting a total knee replacement, thinking that it would limit all my activities that I really want to do. When I met with Dr. Berend, he assured me there's really very, very little that you're limited to do. One thing in particular that MCJR does that was the first time I'd experienced it was it's an all-encompassed solution. The convenience of having it all done in an outpatient way certainly made it a lot easier for my family and people at home. We didn't have to, pack up and move somewhere for a couple days. I could come down, be here, get back home that afternoon or that evening, and it's just easier for the family and everything else to help with recovery. When I was down in Australia, I actually jogged for about a mile, and I called my family and I texted my kids and everything. I was like, I actually jogged a mile, which was something, and didn't have joint pain. And it's just progressively gotten a lot better. Incrementally continue to build strength in the legs and continue to do more and more, which is a lot of fun.